Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss a very good question that is based on the concept of AP. So the question is, Rahul drew a rectangular grid of 625 cells arranged in 25 rows and 25 columns. So these are the 25 columns and here are 25 rows are there. Fine. And filled each cell with a number. The numbers with which he filled each cell were such that the number of each row taken from left to right and forms an AP. So the numbers in the rows are forming an AP. Fine. And if the numbers are taken from top to bottom, they also form an AP. So basically, we are having AP in all the rows as well as in all the columns. Fine. The 6th and the 20th number of 5th row were 37 and 73, which I have noted it down over here. Fine. While the 6th and 20th number of 25th row were 63 and 87, sorry. Now question is, what is the sum of all the numbers in the grid? We need to find the sum of all the numbers which are present here in the grid. All the numbers. Now only these 4 numbers are given to us. Now this question is based on very important concept of AP. First of all, understand, which I will try to make you understand that particular concept only. So first of all, suppose there is an AP which is 1, 4, 7, 10, then we have 13, 16 and so on. So you will see if I select first number from the start and first number from the last, the sum is 17. If I select second number from the start and second from the last, then the sum is again 17. Third from the start and third from the last, then the sum is again 17. So if we select any two numbers which are equidistant from start and the last, then the sum is constant. So this is first important concept that we need to know before solving this question. Second is, see, यहाँ पर एक AP है. So suppose this AP is 1, 4, 7 and 10. ये 4 terms का AP है. Suppose the difference between any two rows is of 2 only. तो यहाँ पर जो नया AP होगा, that is 3. ठीक है? और यहाँ पर भी कितना होगा? उसमें 2 ऐड होगा तो it will be 6, 9 and 12. फिर यहाँ पर जो नया AP आएगा, that will be 5, then 8, then 11, fine, and then 14. फिर जो नया AP आएगा, that will be 7, then 10, then 13 and then 16. Now see, these terms, every row is an AP, every column is also in an AP. Fine, यही जो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है. Now let us try to check out the sum. So here the sum is how much? 11 into 12 is 22. ठीक है, अब इसको टोटल करेंगे, that is 22. Here the sum is 12 and 3 is 15, 15 into 2 is 30. Here the sum is 38 and in this particular row the sum is how much? This is 46. तो आप देखेंगे इनके जो sum है वो भी AP में है. The difference between the any two sum is constant. So there is the difference is of 8. Again difference is of 8 only. Then again the difference is of 8 only. So this is a second important concept that we need to know before solving this question. Now let us move to this question. So basically see this sixth term यहाँ से हमको दे रखी है and this is sixth term from the last. So can we say that इनका जो सम है वही इस टर्म और इस टर्म का भी सम होगा, फर्स्ट और लास्ट टर्म का भी सम होगा. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रो 5 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. फाइन. सो फर्स्ट टर्म एंड लास्ट टर्म का जो सम होगा फॉर रो 5 दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 37 plus 73 which make it to be 110. And we know that the formula of sum of n terms is given by n by 2 a plus n. Now n here is 25. We have 25 number of terms. So the sum will be 25 by 2 and a plus l is 110, which is basically 55 into 25. Now 55 into 25 is 1375. Fine. So the sum of this row, fifth row, is 1375. I'm noting it down here. Now let us talk about row number 25. Row number 25 में again this is sixth term from the start and this is sixth term from the last. So again a plus l here equals how much? 63 plus 87, which is equal to 150. So the sum of 25th row, इस particular row का पूरा sum कितना आएगा? Again n number of terms is 25, n by 2 a plus l, which becomes 75 into 25 and 75 into 25 will come out to be 1875. तो हमें इसका भी पूरा सम पता चल गया, that is 1875, और यहाँ का total sum was 1375. And we know that all these the sum of all these rows are in AP. So can we assume this is the 5th term of an AP and this is 25th term of an AP? ठीक है. So और simplify किया जा सकता है. Let me show you how. Let me create some space. First of all, I am removing this. Okay, now see, now I am assuming that this is the 5th term of an AP. The sum of row 5 is the 5th term of an AP, and that is equal to how much? 1375. Now 5th term is basically A plus 4 times the difference. And here, this is 25th term. 25th term is basically A plus 24 times the difference, and this is equal to 1875. When we subtract this, we will get 20D equal to 500, and D comes out to be how much? 25. So there is a difference of 25 in sum of each of the rows. So इसका sum यदि 1375 है, तो sum of the previous row must be 1350, उससे previous का 13, 25 and so on. And from here, if we calculate A, so A will come out to be 1275. Now see again, हमें इन सारी rows का sum ही find करना है, which again is an AP, and they are 25 in number. So the sum will be 25 by 2. First row का sum कितना आएगा total? 1275, which is the first term. इसका last row का we have already calculated, which is 1875. So this will be the sum of all the grids. Fine. और इसे solve करने पे आ रहा है 25 into this is the mid value of this is 1575, which gives us 39,375. So the sum of all the cells present in this particular 25 by 25 cross grid is 39,375. So I hope this particular question is clear to all of you. Thank you.